Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to share how I made these adorable needle felting Pokemons. These kits is perfect for complete beginners. It comes with everything you need to create 9 different Pokemons. Today I will be working on Pikachu, SQUIRTLE, and PSYDUCK. If you're interested, be sure to check out some of my other needle felting projects which I made with a similar kit. So I will be using this electric felting machine which is much faster than trivial needles. The kit includes a guidebook, a needle machine, an extra rubber hoop, and a synchronous transmission wheel.
Pikachu?
Ta-da! Here's the review of all 3 Pokémons. As you can see, Pikachu looks like a Minecraft version, and Squirtle resembles a shiny Blastoise without the water cannon. And PSYDUCK turns out super cute. I'm really happy with how they all came out. If you're interested in seeing the other 6 Pokémon, let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. That's how I know you liked it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!
Lost in those bright escapades.